Okay, so today I'm gonna investigate why my motor let me down this weekend. Was supposed to fish 3 days, and I was coming back home after 1.5 days. I was running about 3,500 RPMs. Everything was running okay, and suddenly loses power. Start shaking like crazy, stalled, and I've never been able to restart it. So I'm gonna drain all the fuel into the motor, every fuel line. I'm gonna check my water fuel separator if there's water into it, but anyway, I'm gonna just be sure that whole fuel, there's no more in the motor, and I'm gonna try with a separate tank directly hook to the motor and try it again. I'm going to empty the small fuel filter. I'm going to empty the VST tank. There's a screw and a tube for that. Maybe the fuel rail. Anyway, let's do this. Now, I'm gonna empty that filter. By the way, that filter is brand new from last fall before winterizing. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove all the bolts that is holding that cover. I'm gonna empty that small filter, low pressure filter, and I'm gonna drain the VST tank that is hiding behind the air intake. With this removed, I'm gonna have access to a screw and a tube to empty it. Okay, so now I'm gonna empty low pressure filter, remove that clip, careful not losing it. Here. Okay, now as you can see here, there's a screw. This is to flush the fuel in the VST. There's the tube where it's gonna drain. I'm gonna do this. This is a Phillips screwdriver. Well, I'm pretty sure usually should have more fuel than this. So why there's not much like that, I don't know. Okay, so what I did, I disconnected the line from the tank. I'm gonna put that one in that 5-gallon brand new gas. I have flushed all the fuel from the fuel line. I already emptied the VST tank, flushed that small filter that you can see that it's gonna fill the small filter. It's got I think this is a high pressure pump or maybe a low pressure pump, goes inside in the VST. I'm gonna pump a few times and watch the fuel coming out of the VST to make sure that the flow is okay, and after that I'm gonna put them off and try to start it, and cross fingers that my problem is that if it's not solved, I'm gonna bring that to the dealer, still in warranty. Bought it, got it in April 2019, but just don't want to pay to find out that it's bad fuel, so doing it myself. After that, it's up to the dealer to deal with it. Okay, so now I'm going to try pumping more fuel into the line, going up here. I'm pretty sure it should fill the VST tank. So the flow looks okay. I'm going to screw this before it falls. Okay, so now the muffs are on, water is on. I'm gonna pump the prime bulb again, make sure that everything's okay, and I'm gonna try to start it. As you can see, it's 110 hour, no codes. I just don't get it. I don't see any trace of water in all the gas that I have removed, and now it's working. Good news is it is working, but not happy with the fact that it happened in halfway my fishing trip. But there you go. If you wanna check for water and fuel, that's DF70A, 80, 90 and 100 A. That's how you do it. I'm going to check, there's one other thing I need to check is my fuel tank. Maybe here there's a problem in the tank with the tube. We'll need to rehook everything and test, but now I gotta take some measures. If I have water in that tank, gotta remove all of this. Tab up. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you can leave a comment and share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.